Welcome to 2949 Banyan Hill Lane, Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. Linda Nowicke and the Tampa Realty Now team proudly present this 1,819 square foot maintenance-free detached villa featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a fully enclosed Florida room, a 2-car garage, and beautifully landscaped yard located just steps away from the community pool in the reserved section of gated Plantation Palms. The foyer welcomes you into a living room on the right and a dining space on the left. It's the perfect spot to entertain guests. Most rooms have easy care wood-grain vinyl plank floors made popular on HGTV. The kitchen features granite counters, tile backsplash, an island, a full appliance package, walk-in pantry, and wood cabinets. It blends seamlessly with the breakfast nook and family room. The family room features custom built-ins for a TV plus display shelving for books and photos. The spacious master bedroom, situated at the rear of the home, has the wood-grain vinyl plank flooring with a pocket door that separates the master bath for added privacy. The master bath features dual sinks, granite counters, wood cabinets, a garden tub, walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a full bath complete with granite counters. A fully enclosed Florida room provides a relaxing space to enjoy your morning coffee or a cool beverage with no backyard neighbors. The Florida room has extra insulation, 3M film on dual pane windows, and its own dedicated heating and cooling system. The home was upgraded with a new Bryant 15 SEER AC with an ultraviolet air purifier in 2017. Gated Plantation Palms offers 18 holes of golf, a full-service restaurant, driving range, and mini-golf. Top-rated schools, Costco, and Tampa Prime Outlet Mall are just minutes away. And immediately adjacent is the Land O'Lakes Sports Complex with baseball fields, a BMX track, a swimming pool, and more. 2949 Banyan Hill Lane, your new home in Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicke, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.